Hi, I'm Deborah Grayson Regal. I teach courses on essential business skills on Udemy, like communication, coaching, presentation skills, stress management, and managing to drive high performance. The first step in creating a winning course is, of course, planning. And once you've planned what you're going to say in your course, it's time to record your videos. Let's talk about some best practices you can follow to make the experience of recording your videos easier so you can shine on camera. The first tip is practice out loud. As with anything, you'll get better with practice. So make sure that before you hit record, you're talking through your videos a few times out loud. Reading your talking points out loud will also help you identify any long sentences or awkward phrasing that you want to change before recording. I often quote business leaders from around the world, and double checking to make sure I'm pronouncing their names correctly before I record is critical for me. The second tip is to smile. Be enthusiastic. Showing enthusiasm for your topic will engage your learners and make them excited to learn more. If you have low energy, that will really come across on camera. Smiling and bringing enthusiasm to your voice will inject energy into your delivery. And of course, you don't have to smile throughout. That can look forced. But starting with a smile and revisiting it can create a feeling of warmth and engagement. People often wonder about their stance and what they should do with their hands while presenting. When you're presenting on camera, you usually want to stand or sit in one spot. But that doesn't mean you can't move. Taking a strong stance with good posture and use gestures in a natural way, as you would when speaking to a friend or colleague. It's okay to use your hands. Just make sure that they're visible on camera if you do. 2 tips is to use open palms and get your hands above your waist. If you make a mistake while speaking, don't worry about it. It happens to everyone. The nice thing about presenting on video is you get to edit your errors out later. When you make a mistake, simply pause, breathe, and go back to the beginning of the paragraph or sentence where you left off. To make it easier in editing, count to 3 before you start talking again. As for what to wear in your videos, it's a good idea to wear something that makes you feel comfortable and confident. You want to look and feel great. You don't want to be adjusting your outfit or have sore feet all day. I'm wearing sneakers right now. And it's a good idea to avoid tight patterns like pinstripes or small florals, as they don't always look good on camera. Also, avoid any accessories that may make noise or hit your microphone and interfere with your audio. I once saw someone present wearing a full arm of metal bangle bracelets, and all I could focus on was the clanging of her jewelry as she spoke. When a bunch of lights are pointed at you, your skin can get a little shiny. Using powder on your face can minimize this effect. Finally, while recording, have fun. Play music, dance between takes, eat some snacks, and do whatever you need to do to keep your energy high. If you want to evaluate your camera presence, try this activity while practicing your talking points. Take a video of yourself on your phone or your camera recording one of your lectures. Then watch that video 3 times. Once with the sound off so you can evaluate your body language. Once with your eyes closed but with the sound on so you can evaluate your voice. And one last time with the image and sound on. Each time you watch it, note what you're doing well and what you want to improve. And on behalf of Udemy instructors everywhere, welcome to the family.